What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So today I'm working on my boy Bruce today, something special that my sponsor Nilight sent out to me. In case you guys don't know, Nilight, they make a lot of lighting products. Obviously that's in the name, and I'll link it up in the description. That's the video I did with my light bar. Now they sent me something that you guys weren't even thinking about. They sent me some floor mats. Now, these are my old floor mats right here. Guys, my truck is dirty. We literally had a nor'easter yesterday. So this is gonna be pretty dirty, but if you look, this shit has holes in it, and it's not that old. It's probably like a year old, maybe a little bit more, but it's pretty bad, pretty bad. I gotta pretty much vacuum this damn truck. Poor presentation on my part, right? But anyway, guys, these mats, it comes with driver, passenger, and one long one that covers the entire back. The models that it fits, they're saying from 2019 to 2023, also from 2012 to 2018, which are the 4th gen Ram crew cabs. My truck is a crew cab. How do you know if you have a crew cab? The doors are same size as the front. The quad cabs, the rear doors are a lot smaller in width, okay? So obviously my best advice to you is just make sure, if you purchase these, test them out, make sure they fit, because they're saying that it fits an array of applications, but you never know. Guys, these, as I said, these mats are pretty cool. All season, all weather, and they have like the holes for the OE spikes that you saw me pull out this mat from right here, so it prevents it from moving around or whatever. Also, these mats here are a lot bigger in size, so it provides, as you can see, it provides way more coverage on the floor. So I can't wait to test these out. Let me vacuum this bad boy real quick, and I'm gonna test it out for you. All right, so I vacuumed this bad boy up. It's pretty clean now, and I'm test fitting the mat. Observations: this ground spike here to hold the mat in place, it's not aligned with this hole right here. The other one is aligned with it. The only thing it is just having a little problem fitting into this jacket right here. Other than that, the mat fits pretty good. If you notice, it contours perfectly with the grooves on the bottom of the seat. So it fits pretty damn snug, where I know it's not gonna go anywhere, but, and it's a lot more coverage as well. It's a lot more coverage in here as well. So now, I don't know if this is a deal breaker for some of you guys. It's not for me. You know what I mean? I don't really care too much about it. It doesn't bother me. But if that's a deal breaker for you, then my answer would be, obviously, don't order this. So this video is gonna provide some good feedback to Nilight, because as I said, certain makes and models, this will work. You just have to check yours, if you get what I'm saying. Okay? I'll check the other sides real quick, and let's see how it. Okay, fam. So the back, it freaking fits perfectly, man. I'm talking about all the lines, all the contours, everything. It fits perfectly. I'm not even playing. Really, really good fit. Maximum coverage too. Like as time goes on, that stuff will just get pressed down a little bit more, but it's a way more coverage than this one over here. Obviously this mat isn't damaged because there's not a lot of traffic on this mat, only once in a while if my kids come in here. And on the passenger side, oddly enough, you ready for this? This passenger one here. The holes for the passenger side fit both. And it's a really, really, really good fit, as you can see. See, both plugs are in the holes from the Nilight mat. And look, it goes with all the ridges and everything. Like it's perfect. It's like a perfect glove fit. Now I will show you this. If you want to be a little bit ingenuitive, okay, and these plugs are bothering you, I took out the plug that wasn't fitting. See it right here? Let me show you how you can get to it. It's gonna be a little tough, okay? So this plug, it's literally like almost like a belt buckle. Give me 1 second. There it is. Here's my tool. So there's two cuts in the mat right here, and this portion slides into it. This is how you get it out. You take your pick. See if you can get that. Okay. All you gotta do is push back a little bit on that little pin and pull out, and it releases. See this right here? You just gotta push back on this end right here and it releases. Now, all you gotta do now is measure precisely, so you could put the other mat into that plug, put the plug into this one here, and measure precisely where the plug or anchor is on the mat, and pretty much cut to suit. Let me do that right now. All right guys, so this is what I'm talking about. You cut one slit, insert it here, and you cut the other one and pull it out from the other side. These picks, these precision picks definitely help. Once it comes through, all you do is you push this in and it fastens in there. Hold on a second. And voila, literally looks like OEM fit. And now this over here is gonna get covered up, so it doesn't matter, you know what I mean? But if it's really bothering you to put this shit in, then that's what I would do. So now, let's measure this up. Just put this back up here. There we go. And now it's perfect. What? That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Like new. So as I said guys, mine was a little bit strange, obviously, because the hole was a little bit, so my pin was over here, the hole was a little bit more on the inside, and obviously I just showed you a quick fix for that. So now you got no excuse. So pretty much anybody can get this. But as I said before, if that was a deal breaker, then, you know what I mean, purchasing it would be totally up to you. Look at this, kids putting stuff all over. See, that's why I don't have them coming in my car. But anyway, guys, perfect fit. So the back is perfect. The front passenger was perfect. And now the driver's side, it's freaking mint. I can't argue with this. And they look really, really good, and they feel very, very sturdy as well. So anyway, guys, definitely like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. I'll drop this stuff in the description. Their stuff is on Amazon, from light bar switches. Now they have floor mats. They're constantly making cool stuff. I'll put all their information in the description. And since it's on Amazon, if you got Prime, you could possibly get it in 2 days. Actually, when did I get this? I think this took me like 3 days. I don't know if this is a Prime item, but don't quote me. It might change in the future. So anyway, guys, once again, like, subscribe, comment, and I will talk to you soon. Take it easy.